When it comes to making a lasting impression, your home's exterior is the first thing visitors, neighbors, and potential buyers notice. While landscaping and a fresh coat of paint are common upgrades, window replacement is one of the most effective ways to instantly enhance curb appeal. For homeowners in Coppell, replacing outdated or damaged windows not only revitalizes the appearance of your property but also provides long-term value and practical benefits. A fresh look for your home. Old windows often show signs of age, such as peeling paint, cloudy or cracked glass, and outdated designs. These issues can make your home look worn down, even if it's well maintained otherwise. New windows, on the other hand, add a sleek and polished look to your exterior. Whether you choose classic double-hung windows, expansive bay windows, or modern casement styles, replacements bring fresh energy to your home. By updating your windows, you can align your exterior with your preferred aesthetic, traditional charm, contemporary elegance, or something in between. Highlighting architectural style. Every Coppell home has unique architectural features, and new windows can help highlight them. For example, colonial homes often pair beautifully with multi-pane or grid-patterned windows. Modern homes shine with minimalist frames and large, uninterrupted glass panels. Traditional suburban homes benefit from bay or bow windows that add depth and character. Replacing windows with styles that complement your home's architecture creates a cohesive look that makes your property stand out in the neighborhood. Increasing natural light and visibility. Large, clear windows not only look great from the outside but also transform your interior spaces. Modern replacement windows maximize glass area, allowing more natural light to flood into your home. This added brightness makes your living spaces more welcoming and highlights your home's exterior from the street. For Coppell homeowners with scenic yards or landscaping, upgraded windows also provide clearer, unobstructed views, blurring the line between outdoor beauty and indoor comfort. Color and frame options to match your home. Today's replacement windows come in a wide variety of colors, finishes, and materials. From crisp white vinyl frames to bold black aluminum or wood-clad finishes, you can customize your windows to perfectly match your siding, trim, or front door. These design choices help tie your home's entire exterior together, giving it a polished and well-thought-out appearance. Curb appeal that adds value. Curb appeal isn't just about appearances, it directly affects property value. In a competitive market like Coppell, buyers are drawn to homes that look well cared for and up to date. Replacing your windows not only makes your home look beautiful but also signals that it's energy efficient and structurally sound. In fact, real estate experts note that window replacement is one of the top remodeling projects for return on investment. Buyers appreciate the blend of style, efficiency, and security that new windows bring. Energy efficiency and comfort. While window replacement boosts curb appeal, it also improves comfort and efficiency. New windows with double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames keep your home comfortable during Coppell's hot summers and chilly winters. Lower energy bills and consistent indoor temperatures are benefits that homeowners enjoy every day, and they add to your home's desirability if you ever decide to sell. Final thoughts. Your home's exterior is the first impression you make, and outdated windows can hold back its full potential. Window replacement in Coppell not only enhances curb appeal but also adds value, improves energy efficiency, and makes your living spaces brighter and more comfortable. If you're looking for a simple yet impactful upgrade, consider replacing your windows. With professional installation and modern designs, your home will shine with renewed charm, functionality, and style, turning heads in your neighborhood and boosting its value for years to come.